Adri, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share my empties video with you guys, and I have a lot of products to show you. So without wasting any other time, let's get started. So I have two boxes full of empty products, and I will be telling you guys and sharing many reviews with you and tell you that if I will repurchase the products or not. So the first thing that I have with me is this Biotic Papaya Visibly Ageless Scrub Wash. So I have already done a review about this. I will be linking it down below. It is a nice product, but not a product that I will be repurchasing. But it's a really nice face wash with a mixture of scrub. Then I have this Lakme Absolute Primer with me, and I am definitely going to repurchase this because I just love this primer, and this is one of the best primer I have ever used. I also have a review about this primer. I will be linking it down below. Then I have the VLCC Sandal Cleansing Milk. This is a very nice cleansing milk, and I think if I finish all my cleansing milks, then I can repurchase this, but in this moment I am not going to repurchase it. And it's a really nice cleansing milk. I have a review about this also, and I will be linking it down below. Oops, I forgot to mention the prices of the products. Okay, so the papaya face wash price is rupees 110. The Lakme Absolute Primer's price is the price is not written, but it is around 700 something. Then the VLCC one's price is 160. Then I have with me the Himalaya Kesar face pack, and its price is rupees 135, and it's a nice face pack. If you have tan and pigmentation and problems about that, it will definitely help you out. I also have a review about this, and I will be linking it down below. And I'm not going to repurchase it because I think I can find better face packs. Then I have the Himalaya Oil Clear Mud face pack, and its price is rupees 130. It's also a very nice mud face pack, and it cleanses your face thoroughly and removes all the excess oil, and I really like this. And if I finish all my face packs and stop using new face packs, then I am definitely going to repurchase it. I also have a review about this. I will be linking it down below. Then I have the Garnier Light Complete Serum Cream, and its price is rupees 129. I have totally emptied this. You can see it's a very nice day cream. I really loved using it, and this second tub, and I have already used it for a really long time, so I need to change products, and currently I'm not going to repurchase it. Then I have with me the Lotus Safe Sun Sunscreen, and if you have seen the review, you already know I am never going to repurchase it. I hate using it, and I don't know how I finished this. And its price is rupees 275, and I have both the reviews of this, and I will be linking it down below. Then I have the Himalaya Wet Wipes. It's casual wet wipes. It will not remove your makeup nicely, so I'm not going to repurchase it, and its price is rupees 45. Then I have the Himalaya Youth Eternity Night Cream, and its price is rupees 499. It's a really nice night cream. This is for my mother, but I need her to try different night creams, so I'm not going to repurchase it. Then I have the Wow Activated Charcoal Face Wash. You can see it's totally over. Its price is rupees 349. It's a really nice face wash. But I really have a lot of face washes, and I have to use them, so I'm not going to repurchase this. Then I have the Biotic Cucumber Toner, and I am a die-hard fan of this. I currently don't have this with me right now because I am using other toners, but I am definitely going to repurchase it after I finish using the other toners, and its price is rupees 175. Then I have the Khadi Gold Rose Water Toner, and its price is rupees 125, and I have all three of them's review, and I will be linking it down below. It's a nice rose water, but not going to repurchase it. Then I have the Dabur Gulabari rose water, and its price is rupees 45. Not going to repurchase it because my mother has found better rose waters than this one. Then I have the Jeva activated charcoal peel off marks, and if you have watched the review, you know about it. I just hate this peel off marks. I have not finished it. It's still full and it's still there, but I am throwing it away because I'm not going to use it anymore, and its price is rupees 449, and I just hate it. I will be linking its review down below. Then I have one of my favorite micellar water. This is the Garnier micellar water. This is the normal variant, not the oil infused variant, and its price is rupees 175, and I just love using it. I have already done a review about this, and I will be linking it down below. Please check it. Then I have this Biotic Wintergreen cream, spot correcting cream, and its price is rupees 199, and it does wonders to my skin. And if you are suffering from acne, you definitely need to try this, and I also have a review of this, and I will be linking it down below. Then I have a toothpaste. This is the Himalaya Complete Care toothpaste. I don't know why I kept it here, but sorry. Then I have two facial kits from this brand called Jordan. My mom used it, but we are not going to repurchase it because we actually found better facials than this one, and its price was more than rupees 200. I don't remember the price. Then I have the Maybelline compact powder. You can see it's totally over, and I have also broken the mirror, and its price is not mentioned here, but its price was around rupees 150 or something, and I just love using this compact powder, so I have repurchased it again. So after finishing that, I will think if I am going to repurchase it again or not. Then I have this Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation, and its price is rupees, not mentioned again, its price is rupees 140, and average foundation for beginners. When I started my YouTube channel, I used to use it a lot, but I have definitely found better foundations than this one, so never going to repurchase it again. Then I have a Tresemme shampoo. This one is the botanic extracts and all that, and its price is rupees 410, and it's a really nice shampoo if you have frizzy hair. So yeah, you can definitely purchase it. Then I have this Tresemme conditioner, and I just love Tresemme conditioners. I do not use any other brand's conditioner. I just use Tresemme's conditioner, and its price is rupees 183. Then I have this Veet cold wax strips in the variant sensitive skin, and its price is rupees 190. Really normal average wax strips. Hurts a bit, but if you use it regularly, then it's okay. Then I have the Biotic Bio Honey Water Toner, and its price is rupees 175. My mother uses it and she definitely loves it, but she already has other toners to use, so we are not going to repurchase it again. Then I have the Jovis Skin Toner, and it's in the rose variant, and its price is rupees 170. It's a nice rose toner, but she has other toners, as I said. Then I have the Khadi Gold Cucumber Toner. Its price is rupees 125, but I think I have used better toners than this one, so I'm not going to repurchase it. Then I have the Lotus Youth RX Anti-Aging Transforming Night Cream. the transforming day cream, and its price is to be 675. You can see my mother has totally used it, and I have already done a review about it. If you want to know how this works, then please check it. I will be linking it down below. Then I have this Engage perfume, and at last I finished it. I just hate its smell, and its price is totally robbed, so I don't know its price. Then I have the Biotic Bio Papaya face scrub. I just love using it. You can see it's totally over, and I'm currently using other face scrubs, so currently I'm not going to repurchase it, but if I stop using other face scrubs, I will be definitely repurchasing it, and its price is to be 199. Then I have this Plum Night Cream, and the price I don't remember, and it's also not written, but its price was around 500 something, and you can see it is totally empty. And I have also done a review about this, the scrub, the toners and everything, and I will be linking everything down below if you want to see informative reviews about single products. Then I have this Pond's Pimple Clear Face Wash. I just love this. I have other face washes, so currently I'm not going to repurchase it, but after I finish all my face washes, I will be definitely repurchasing it, and its price is rupees just 95. This is the smaller size. I will be purchasing the bigger size after this. Then I have the Pond's Light Moisturizer, and its price is rupees 199. It's a really nice moisturizer for combination to oily skin type. I have other moisturizers right now, so right now I'm not going to repurchase it, but in future I definitely will. Then I have this Good Vibes Green Tea face Purifying Face Wash, and it's a really nice face wash for dry skin tone, not the best for oily skin tone. I have oily skin tone, but really nice face wash for dry skin tone. Price is rupees just 25. It's a sample size. It was a free something that I got. It's a sample size, rupees 25. Really nice face wash for dry skin type. Then I have this Lakme Absolute Matte Lipstick, and can you believe I finished the lipstick? I love it so much. I finished the lipstick. There's no place. And it's in the variant Plum Spell, and its price was rupees 800 or 700 something. It's the Lakme Absolute one. Lakme Absolute is a higher range. The 9251 or the other are regular. So that was all for my empties video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I will be reviewing everything down below. All the links will be down below in my description box. So if you want to check informative and single reviews of products, then please click them and check it. And yeah, that's all for the video, and the empty products and the mini reviews and the purchase or not purchase thingy. So yeah, that's all for the video. Bye.